Hey, this is Dave Ing. I'm in the junkyard. I'm working on a Ford Focus today. We're working on the trunk latch. This is for model year 2012 to 2018. And so we have the trunk latch here. This particular model of the car has a liner, like a fabric liner on the trunk. A lot of times you'll find that the latch is just exposed with the emergency pull cable. The tools I use is a T40 Torx. We're going to move in on it, as well as I've just got a pry tool and a small screwdriver. You use the small screwdriver to push out the emergency release, cable right there. It dropped out, but you'll see that that pushes out right there, and you'll slide that out where it mounts in the latch. So okay, so that's off. I released these clips from underneath here already, so that to make the video a little faster. And so when you pull that down, you'll have access to the latch. And let's go in, and there's a 4-pin connector that sits behind the latch. Behind the connector is a plug that I use. That's why I use my pry tool. And so it's a 4-pin connector right there. And then we're going to use the T40 Torx. I have an impact in the junkyard to take out the bolts. Okay, and the latch comes out. That's a nice looking specimen. And installation is the reverse of removal. See you next time.
So I am back in the office, and I just have a couple of last items that you might want to take a look at. If you get a new latch and install it and has trouble biting down, you can move the striker up towards the latch. You would just loosen the 2 bolts that mount that striker. And then if you were troubleshooting your latch for power, I have this hooked up to a 12-volt battery. I use the second wire in as ground, and the farthest left wire is what runs the actuator. You can fire that off. You'll see also the 3rd wire in, the continuity moves from this wire to that wire when the latch goes into the open position. So I have it fired. Then we have continuity on that 4th wire over, and that tells the dash that the trunk is open. So I hope that helps. I will have the OEM part number in the description, as well as links to eBay. See you next time.